photograph became a motion picture.
Hi guys.
I was now
I'm working on this this is chimney for the 319 that Mike gave me. You don't hear that very often. Somebody gave you a 319, but he gave it to me. And this chimney part here was not great, but it was not terrible. Somebody had tried to get it off at one time or other in the life of the lantern, and had bowed out these holes here and here, and I have straightened those out, but I wanted to show a little bit about how I straightened something out. So what I have here right there, I hope you I can't see what I'm really pointing at. Right there is a dent. And I have this block, and normally this would be called a dapping block, but it would be made of wood. Often they're made of wood. You can still have them made out of steel too. It depends on if you're doing woodwork or very thin metal work, or you're doing heavier sheet metal work. So there's a dent right here. It's pushed in, and I'm going to dap it out. So what I want to do is find it, which is right there. And I'm just going to tap it. You can hear the sound of the tapping when the dent starts to meet on the when the outside of the dent, which was caved in, starts to meet the dapping block. It starts sounding solid, like this. Okay, instead of like that. And like I said, I have worked this piece over pretty well already, but most of that dent is gone. There's a little bit more right there, and I thought I would address how I would do things. What if you can't get something like a tool inside here? Because this is not enough. Well, then you can go like this with the whole piece. And once again, you get a few knocks out of it instead of that funny tapping sound, and you'll know you're just about there. Actually, it's pretty much gone. There's a slight wow or bow right here, and I will get that out here. You can hear it hitting hard now, like this. Okay, a different sound. When you get it to where it's actually making contact with the dapping block, you know that it is making a surface there that is semi-flat, and that's all what you want around this, semi-flat, because this is a round thing. So anyway, that's how we do it. And like I said, I've already worked this over pretty good. I have a few places yet, like in here. This is not such great shape. A little in here, and I will do this to the whole vent assembly on the lantern, so that it's fairly like it's supposed to be. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. That's called dapping, and you can learn how to do it with a little practice. Practice with something that's not valuable, like this is valuable in my estimation. But anyway, hang on a second here. I don't know if I'm even looking at you, but if I am, good. And I hope that was interesting to you, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.